Nikon has not had much success with its efforts to expand from DSLR to the mirrorless camera market. The company made a half-hearted attempt to eliminate Sony, Panasonic, Olympus and other mirrorless specialists a few years ago with the Nikon 1 line, but as reported by NikonRumors, the entire series has already been discontinued. Nikon updated for the last time the line with the J5 in 2015. It seemed to be the most attractive product of the Nikon 1 series until that moment. But the cameras were frustrated by high prices, a 1-inch sensor that was smaller than those used by the competition and a confusing name scheme. But despite this long-awaited interruption, it is rumored that Nikon is working on a reboot of its plans without a mirror. NikonRumors reports that the company could submit 2 cameras without a full-frame as early as later this month. That would undoubtedly solve the weakness of the Series 1 sensor. But pushing people away from Sony will not be a minor challenge. Nikon needs to build an attractive package that matches Sony's popular full-frame launchers, aggressively price and then back it up with good lenses.